Informed TV 100. We're still at the 1.5 star hotel. I have found a couple of sites where it is rated up to 2 stars. And in the morning, I will give you my opinion and my rating of this hotel. And as I promised, I'm going to read you a couple of the reviews of this hotel. Uh, and here, I'm going to let you see uh, for yourself. Okay. So the one said the bathroom is a disaster. There's obviously water drainage around the shower head and the tub. And they said that their clothes smell like mold. This is a serious health hazard. I didn't have see the water problem. I saw other problems, but I didn't see the water problem. So, and we will go to another review. Okay, let's go. Um, this one says that they were there and that okay, said that they had feminine products between their mattress. Man in the first room given smoke in second. Feminine products between mattress in the third. So they've been in 3 rooms. So this is Informed TV 100. As I said, I don't know. I will give you my honest rating in the morning, but I won't be going to bed. Um, I will probably, as I said, I will probably giving you a thing in the room. Will probably be sleeping. I'll probably just sit in the chair, you know, and dirty clothes. I don't know. Sleep with my boots on, you know, and we'll be giving you honest opinion in the morning. So I've been here several hours and I don't know about this place. The hair, took the hair off the bed and just have my boots on. So I'll let you know. We'll see if feel comfortable going to bed. I have. Okay, guys. Be good to yourself as well as others. And remember, you are everything and everything is you. Bye for now. Bye. We'll see you in the next video. We are rating the 1 and 2. So I've seen 2 stars hotel. Bye for now. And I'm telling you the things to look for when you go to a hotel. And we're starting a hotel series. And this is our first hotel. Was the 1 star. In some instances, it's a 2-star hotel. Bye for now. Bye. We'll see you in the next video.